guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, Tyra. If you're new here, hi, hello. If you're not new here, welcome back. Just for a quick little FYI, I did move, so if it looks completely different in the background, that is why. But let's go ahead and get right into the video. You saw it in the thumbnail and the title. Today we are getting into the Pattern Beauty hair steamer. Typically, you guys know when I review anything, recently I've been doing the PAPS method, which is performance, accessibility, price, and smell. But obviously this is a tool, so it has no smell. So we're just gonna do the top 3: performance, accessibility, and price, along with the other details that you guys would need to know. This is the Pattern Beauty hair steamer. Now, the owner of this brand is Tracee Ellis Ross. If you don't know that, now you know. She is definitely notorious for the design and coloring and the creativity of her products. She also has a hair blow dryer. I'll place on the screen here that is beautiful. Majority, if not all, of Pattern Beauty tools are beautiful, and they're all in this really pretty like caramel, mustard, yellow color. Like, all of her hair tools look amazing. Go ahead and get a little bit into what a hair steamer is. Essentially, what a hair steamer does is open up your cuticles to allow moisture and hydration to really soak into your hair shaft. It helps with deep penetration and intense hydration. Typically, right after you shampoo, while you're deep conditioning and detangling is when you want to use it. There are multiple different ways to use a steamer. It's recommended that you use it when your hair is clean, but you can also use it right before you shampoo, when you're kind of using a pre-poo to detangle your hair, right before getting into the cleansing part of it. Let's just say your hair is completely clean, wash day is over, but you also want to kind of refresh your curls on like day 3, day 4. You could also use a hair steamer to kind of wake those curls up. Similar to when you take a shower and that hot steam helps kind of rejuvenate those curls and get it, you know, flowy and bouncy again. That is also a good way of using a hair steamer for the styling portion of your hair. So now that we've talked a little bit about what a hair steamer is, let's go ahead and get into the details of the Pattern Beauty hair steamer. So we have the hair steamer here. One of my favorite parts about this hair steamer is that it can sit on its own. A lot of the steamers that I've seen before, you kind of have to like use it and then lay it back down. But this one, it completely sits on its own. There's 2 attachments that it comes with. First one being the prong attachment, which is also a part of the hair steamer as well. But you have that extra attachment for prongs to be able to detangle a little bit better with it. If you want to take the attachment off, you just press the 2 buttons here. I'm pretty sure you can see it. Here and here, you press it and it releases and you slide it off. I have another attachment, which is the diffusing attachment. Again, you would just place it right in the grooves and it snaps on just like that. You also have a water chamber here. So this is where the water will sit in order for you to steam your hair. Then this is a little part here where this is where you actually fill up the water right here. This is the on button right here. So once you turn it on, this little part right here flashes. After it flashes, that's when you know that it's good to go. And it only takes 60 seconds for this steamer to heat up, which is amazing. I had a hair steamer. Well, technically it wasn't a hair steamer. It was a clothes steamer that I was using, and it took forever to heat up, like forever. Then again, it wasn't a hair steamer, so I can't expect my clothes steamer to be as effective as an actual hair steamer, but it took forever to heat up. So I love how this only takes 60 seconds to heat up. So you're not sitting there waiting forever for it to get hot. You can just kind of go right in as soon as that 60 seconds is over. There is only one heat setting. Once your hair steamer is ready, you just push up on this switch here, and that's how the steam releases. And there's only one heat setting, which is, I think, 284 Fahrenheit. I don't know what that is in degrees, but I'll put it on the screen. Moving on to accessibility, you can buy this from Ulta, which is where all the Pattern Beauty hair products are sold in stores, or you can just buy it off of the website at www.patternbeauty.com. There are 2 different purchases you can make for a hair steamer. You can either get the simple, straightforward, just the hair steamer itself, which is what I bought, or you can get the value set, which comes with the mask. They just came out with a new mask called the breakage barrier mask, And I want to say, if I'm not wrong, it is the same mask as the treatment mask they have. I think they just changed the name of it. I'm not really sure, but apparently you can get the breakage barrier mask plus the hair steamer together for a whopping total of $174. But if you wanted to just get the hair steamer itself, it is $179 plus tax. So I think this came out to be like $184, something like that. Now I will say, yes, this is extremely pricey, which I've seen that in the comments a lot on Instagram. Every time they post promo of the hair steamer, lots of the comments are like, ooh, that's pricey. Ooh, I wish the price. Ooh, the end of the day, it's kind of like, what do you expect? This is a celebrity hair care brand on top of being a actual nice, a pretty nice tool. I will be making a video of an alternative hair steamer that I really like, and I actually just used it probably a day ago. I actually just used it yesterday. Again, I know it's pricey, and if you're not willing to pay that much for a hair steamer, I do have an alternative that is much cheaper, that is almost just as effective as this hair steamer. Loved it, and I definitely will be using it again. Even though I have this, I do feel like I would still use the other one just as much. I also want to mention that this hair steamer only runs for 16 minutes. That isn't a very long time, which I say that is probably more of a con, because the other hair steamer that I was talking about, that I will show you guys probably in another video or two, that one runs for over 30 minutes. If you have a lot of hair and if thick hair, you will have to definitely refill that chamber a few times if you would go over 16 minutes. So just keep that in mind as well when purchasing this. As far as the cutoff, after 30 minutes in general, let's just say that you forget to unplug it and it's still going, it auto cuts off after 30 minutes of use. That is all the details that I have about the hair steamer. Definitely stay tuned for my next video. I'll be demonstrating how to actually use the hair steamer in real time, and I'm super excited. This will be a first impressions as well of me using the hair steamer in real time, so you guys can get my real raw reaction on camera as far as the setup, the hair steaming, setting up the chamber, attachments, all of that. I do also want to mention, it comes with 2 extra little things I'm going to show you really quickly. It comes with a flush kit. So you would just fill this up with water and kind of flush the chamber if it starts to get a little bit icky. It also comes with a microfiber towel to wipe your steamer down, you know, just to keep it clean, which I love that. So if you are purchasing either kit, which is the value kit or just a simple hair steamer itself, you will be receiving a flush kit and a microfiber towel. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm back. I know I was gone for about 2 weeks or so, but I am officially back. I love my new space, and I'm so ready to create this fresh content and get this stuff pumping out to you guys. Again, thank you so much for watching. And I also want to just thank you guys really quickly for just the growth on this channel. We're at a little bit over 1,500 subscribers, and that just makes my heart really happy. I'm really thankful for every single person that clicks on this video, that takes the time out to watch, comment, like, follow, subscribe. If you're not following me at my other platforms, you definitely should, because I am active there throughout the week. On YouTube, I only post once a week as of right now, but I had a little birdie come to my window and tell me that I might be starting full-time soon. So that means that I could possibly be making more videos throughout the week instead of just once a week. But stay tuned for that. Again, follow me on all platforms at My Type for Hair. And I will see you guys in a video soon. Bye. Mwah.